Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a very unique recipe that's called Puran Stuffed Naan Khatai. Naan Khatai is nothing but shortbread biscuits that are very popular in India and some Asian countries. I'm also going to show you the stuffing that's called Puran, how to make that. So without wasting any further time, let's get right into it. We need 1 cup of chana dal or split chickpeas, 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of maida or all-purpose flour, 1 cup of fine suji or semolina, some chopped nuts, I'm using almonds, half a cup of oil, pinch of salt, some cardamom powder, and I'm using some mixed fruits in here as well. So the ones that you put in the cakes, I'm just using some of those. First we are going to cook the chana dal, and for that I'm using a pressure cooker. Wash it thoroughly and add about 2 cups of water. Cover it and let it cook for about 3 whistles. After cooling, open it. And we are going to strain the chana dal to remove all that excess water. So with the help of a strainer, just strain it like that. Take a wide pan and add the strained chana dal to the pot. Also add a cup of sugar. Turn on the flame to medium. Mix it well. We are going to keep stirring it and cook it on a medium flame till the mixture kind of becomes a little thick, just like that. Notice that all that extra moisture is evaporated, but we're going to keep stirring it and cook it till the spoon stands like that. This confirms that our mixture is well cooked. So just toss one more time and add some cardamom powder and switch off the flame. We are going to knead the dough with 2 cups of maida, 1 cup of fine suji, and we are not going to use any water. Just with the help of oil, we are going to make the dough. It will take about 10 minutes or so to make the dough. Once it's ready, let it rest for about 2 hours. Dough has rested well. We are just going to knead one more time before we start making the naan khatai. So now take a small portion of the dough like that, about the size of a lemon, and start spreading it like that. You want to make space to add in the stuffing. So take a big portion of the stuffing and add some fruit mix and almonds, and start closing the ball like that. The Puran stuffed naan khatai starts to come together. So adjust it as much you like it, and then once you're happy, you can put it on a plate. I'm going to make one more naan khatai in this shape. So just spread it like that. Add the stuffing of Puran, mix fruit almonds, and then close it. So I have one more in this shape ready. Next up, I do want to show you how you can use the silicone molds of cupcakes to make a more nicer shape. Grease the silicone molds with oil and take one ball of the dough and just start pressing it in the mold like that. Add in the Puran stuffing and just follow the same process. And then cover it and close it. So you'll get a nice shape of a cupcake for your naan khatai. I'm going to make the remaining ones in this shape since I liked it so much. Notice that to make these Puran stuffed naan khatais, we didn't have to strain or grind the Puran mixture as opposed to making the Puran polis. Because if you don't do that, your polis will break since there are lumps of those chana dal in the mixture. So making these kind of helped me skip that process altogether. Here I have all the naan khatais ready. I'm going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees and place all of them. We are going to cook these naan khatais at 375 degrees for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I have let them cool down for 30 or so minutes and taken them out of the mold. Let's cut and see how those naan khatais look from inside. Look at that. So beautiful. Look at the crumbles as well as the stuffing. Absolutely delicious. These Puran stuffed naan khatais are so unique and absolutely delicious. You've got to try them. If you liked today's recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.